Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve launcher on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve launcher on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to CapCut and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about CapCut. If you find your update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.